Cruise Line. This is our deck view. We have 2 chairs, a little table, and this is the port of Miami. So a pretty smooth sail out. From the last one I shot, it's been about 5 to 7 minutes and we've made it this far, and I could barely tell we were moving. I can tell now, though, as I look at it, I can see it, and I can hear the engines kicking into a higher gear. I'm past the Norwegian Cruise Line, which is not the one we're on, but I thought the architecture was interesting enough to get a little bit of a video of that. And then we have Royal Caribbean coming up on the left that will be passing in just a few moments. Also interesting architecture. Bye-bye, Miami. We'll see you again in a few days. Early morning, and we are out at sea. This is a fun day at sea. See, it's a bit cloudy, but not too bad. You see the sun poking out. You can see we're moving along at a pretty good clip here. There's some land over that way. Not sure exactly what it is, but otherwise, not much to see in terms of land. Just a whole lot of ocean, but it's beautiful. There's a nice breeze, and it's about time to get ready to go for breakfast. A day relaxing and getting some sun. Fun day at sea. This is the sunset. This is the elevator view